My name's Travis Fruhling. We're located in East Central Illinois. We raise corn, soybeans, Angus show cattle, and wanted to talk a little bit about the new wave attachment and the bandits together on our planter. So our nitrogen program has evolved from a John Deere frame-mounted coulter into a base plus system using 360 bandits and a wide drop application. We started with the wide drops. We liked that a lot. And then the bandits came out 3 years ago and we were able to put those on. And we've had really good luck with the bandits, applying the nitrogen on both sides of the row versus just on one side with the John Deere coulters like we did in the past. So this year we were able to put on a set of waves from 360 Yield Center. We'd ran the furrow jets before and got along good with them, but I wasn't super happy with our closing system. And the waves have really helped us, and we don't have to worry about any air pockets anymore. There's no seed in dry soil with it taking that side of that sidewall and waving it over on top of the seed. It's been really nice this spring. We're running a starter and biological package through our waves. About 10 gallon an acre. Not worried about any burn issues with it not being directly on the seed. And then with the bandits, we have our 32 and ATS and more biologicals in that mix. Yeah, so we're in a mainly conventional tillage situation, both beans and corn. The first 2 years we ran the bandits on notch 1 of your spring setting. This year we've ran them on the middle setting and have been a lot happier with staying in the ground in loose soil. You don't see your black streak of liquid back behind the planter. And then the combination of the two, we feel like our fertility package is placed absolutely perfect, and we've been able to cut back on our nitrogen usage between running the bandits and coming back with the wide drops, and we're down to about 0.7 tenths of a pound to N for a bushel of corn. So I guess one of the changes we'll make for next year is if products available. Wave was in limited supply this year, being a first year out, but we'd like to put wave on our bean planter next year, just because it's not just a starter attachment, it's a closing system. And that's the biggest thing we've seen is on a bean planter. I think it's going to be an even bigger advantage because you can plant them beans a half notch shallower if needed and know that they're going to be in moisture. And that's just something that you always question in a conventional tillage situation. The biggest difference or change we've seen in our operation is just the efficiency of being able to place our fertility exactly where we want it, cut back on nitrogen, and just the ease of each product. I mean, once they're installed, you have one spring setting adjustment. That's about the only adjustments there are to bandit. They just run, they're reliable. The wave is even better yet. There's no adjustment at all. It does its thing, it's stationary, no adjustments. You don't have to worry about, a different operator running the planter. And that's why we've stuck with Yield 360 is all the products seem to be very reliable, product support's great, and we can get parts easily.